Hello everyone, how you all? I hope you all are doing well, you all are learning well. I am Anshul and I have brought very useful as well as important tutorial for you all. And I am sure that you are going to learn something important and new today from this tutorial. So do not skip this tutorial even for a minute and watch this from the beginning till the end. So welcome to my channel Explore More and Learn. And the topic for today's tutorial is avoid using to with these words, and I'll be telling you what are those words with which we should avoid using infinitive to. As you know that use of infinitive to is very common in English language. For example, I want to eat apples, I want to go to library, I want to sit, like that. But there are certain places where to is not used. And many of you use to with those words where it should be avoided, and as a result you do mistakes unknowingly. So in this tutorial you are going to learn to correct common errors which you probably do by using infinitive to with certain words. You want to know what are those words or verbs with which we don't use to? So watch this tutorial from the beginning till the end. So let's begin. I'll start this tutorial with two sentences like he is going to school, he's going to home. One of them is incorrect. Can you guess which one is incorrect? I tell you, first one is correct and second one is incorrect grammatically. Why? Are you confused? Like what is the mistake in second sentence? Or why is second sentence incorrect? To write the way second sentence is written, or do you speak the way he is going to home, she is going to home, they are coming to home, like that? If you say or if you write the sentence in this way, then you do some mistakes. I'll explain in detail, but before that I want to remind you, if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe by pressing subscribe button which you have on the right hand side, and press this bell icon so that you may get notification for the next tutorial. Okay, now I tell you, he is going to home, I want to go to home. If you say these sentences in this way, they become incorrect. We cannot use to with the word home. And the correct way is, he is going home, I want to go home. Okay, and the reason is we don't use to with the word home. Home is an exception as a noun with which we don't use to. Otherwise, we use to with other nouns. For example, I am going to the park, she is going to bed, he was going to market. All these sentences are absolutely correct. Here we are using to with the noun like park, bed, market, but we cannot use to with the noun home. So if you use to with the word home, it becomes incorrect. So remember, do not use to with home. Okay? Now second word, which is a verb with which we don't use infinitive to. Don't use to with the verb make. Example, the manager made the boy to pay the bill. The teacher made her to learn the lesson. If you write these sentences in this way, they become incorrect. They are incorrect. They are wrong. We cannot use to after make or made. Okay? And if we have make in the sentence, then the pattern of the sentence becomes make plus person plus base form of the verb. What is base form of the verb? It is the original form of the verb. First form of the verb. So if we have make or made in the sentence, then we don't use to before the base form of the verb. Okay? So the correct sentence will be the manager made the boy pay the bill. Not the manager made the boy to pay the bill. Okay? The teacher made her learn the lesson, not made her to learn the lesson. Okay? Now you see made plus the person, that is the boy, and the base form, that is pay. Make or made plus person plus base form of the verb without using to. Remember it. Now I tell you another place where we don't use infinitive to. What are those words? Let's see. He's going to abroad, he's going abroad. One is incorrect, another is correct. First one is incorrect and second one is correct. So we don't use to with the word abroad. Why? What's the reason? Because we usually say he's going to Mumbai. She's going to Bangalore. So we are using to with these places, but why are we not using to with abroad? I tell you the reason. We don't use to with adverbs of location, and abroad is an adverb. So we cannot use to with adverbs of location. What are other adverbs of location? In, out, somewhere, inside, outside, there, here, etc. So you cannot say like he's going to somewhere. They are going to outside. If you say in this way, you say something incorrect. Okay? So remember it very carefully that don't use to with the adverb of location. Okay? Now I tell you the last one. To is usually avoided with the verb help. So you can notice that we usually avoid to with the verb help. For example, she helped me to understand this lesson. He helped her to prepare some dishes. If we say these sentences like she helped me understand this lesson, he helped her prepare some dishes, then also the sentences are able to convey their meaning successfully. And if the sentence can convey its meaning clearly without using to after the verb help, then we avoid using to after the verb help. Okay? So usually we avoid to after the verb help. Usually. So I hope you have understood this tutorial well, and you have understood what are those words with which we don't use infinitive to. If you have liked this tutorial, then do not forget to press subscribe button and subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next tutorial, and press like if you have liked, share with your friends, with your family, and do not forget to comment in the comment box. I'll wait for your comments. So thanks for watching, and I'll bring another tutorial very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.